Hello there. So this is the video that I'm trying to get to know my GoPro Hero 8 Black. Now I will figure it out how to open this so I can insert the battery and the memory card. Oh, I hear the click. Oops. Oh no, I don't know how to open this time. I might damage this before I learn how to open this. OMG. Come on. Why is it so hard to open this camera? Finally, got you. So I can insert the battery now. But I wonder how I position the battery. I hope I'm doing the right thing in here. So here's the memory card, which is recommended for the GoPro. 64 GB from SanDisk. I need to figure out how to insert this memory card. I'm confused with the outlet I've seen here, but I know I will survive. This is kinda experiment because I never had a camera before. Oh yes, I think I'm doing the right thing again. Now it's time to charge, but before that I need to close this. But I'm wrong because I need to charge it, and I think I need to remove this or find where to connect the charger. Wow, it can be detached. Here's the charger, but it doesn't have the plug, so I need to find out which plug I'm going to use. Here I found one, but I will try to connect it into my laptop first. So there's a red light appearing. Maybe it turns to green when it's full charge. I'll just transfer it into the extension wire. I think it will charge quick. Also, the red light disappear when it's full charge. I'm just going to put back the cover. On this little thing, and I will try to set this up so I can use in the future. there's an instruction, so all I need to do is just follow the steps. So I need my phone now so I can download the application. This time I need to download the GoPro application from the Play Store. And here it is, it's downloaded already. Yay, finally I have the GoPro application now. So all I need to do is to sign up for the GoPro account. And I guess I can use this GoPro camera soon. Thanks for watching, guys. So please like and subscribe if you want to watch more of my uploads. And I'll see you next time. Bye.